Hi everybody, it's your boy Zambizo Brazy again, and today I know it's been a long time. I haven't been doing any tutorial, I haven't been posting anything, but I really wanted to start something new with you guys, and I hope you're gonna be part of this. And yeah, I really want to interact more with you. Like if there is any dance move or any dance style you would like to learn, like just write them in the comments on any of my videos, okay? And then I will be doing tutorials for you guys because I want to share this stuff with you. I want to build some stuff. I want to build like not just like dance projects or just dance videos or choreos or stuff. I want to make the world, the whole world dance together, share a lot of more good moments, share vibes, that I want to bring peace. I want to bring peace to the world, being with music, dance, and stuff. Artists, we have the possibility to bring peace to the whole world. We just gotta focus on some stuff, okay? Anyway, that aside, today I will go through, let me say, 3 to 5. This time I will do three Afro steps. Okay, 3 Afro steps. One of them will be my move, and 2 are from other dancers. They are really cool moves. You can try them on different musics, and yeah. Okay, let's jump right into it. The first step I want to show you is called. It's actually my step. I don't have a name for it till now. I created this step 2 years ago, and yeah, I didn't find a name for it. So maybe you can help me find a name for it. I wanted to name it "Don't Touch Me" for the song by Peppermint Star, sorry. But yeah, anyway. So the step goes like this. I will show you once. Okay, I hope everybody can see me on the camera. You want to go into your knee, and then you go 1, tap, tap, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, tap, 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 tap. Okay, together. You want to go, bend, go a little bit in your knee, and then you want to go as if you are pushing exactly to the side, and then you go to the side, you slide with your right foot, okay? That's it. Like this, you go and 1, and then you wanna hit to the side, okay? A little bit smoothly, bam, and then you can use your upper body to follow. And then after that, you do the same movement with the leg, bring it back. Then you go back twice, and then you come here upwards. You lift your leg too, upwards over your arm, and then you repeat 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Ra ta ta 3 4 fa 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 3 4. Okay. That will be the first step. I don't have any name for it till now, but anyways. So second step is gonna be a very simple move. It's called Baye. Originally from Ghana, from Dance Lloyd, and from the DWE Academy, I think. The stuff is very, very easy. All you wanna do is always jump to the side. Okay? I can't be loud because my neighbors. Like I always say in my videos, my neighbors, they really don't like me. I don't know why, because they say I'm loud, I was dancing stuff. Yeah, anyways. So what you want to do is jump, 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 right? And okay, that's the basics, the principle. And then you want to add your arms to it, okay? You can start to the left or to the right. Most people start to the right when you do that. So you want to go and 1. And 2, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3. Okay? You just want to play with that. You want to feel a little bit comfortable when you jump, and then you go
toes, and then you want to go, okay? And you want to make sure that your arms over your head a little bit, and then you just kind of hit, and you feel that when you jump, and then you just like go inside, hit, okay? Hit, you can use your hips too, okay? Yeah. Again, you can do that together, go. And 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3, sorry for that. And 1, and 2, and 1, 2, 3. That was a simple one. Bye. Okay. The last step we're gonna do together. Okay. This is a move. I think it's originally from Togo, Benin. Why? Because I will check that. The name is Makassar. Okay. And there are a lot of moves that kind of inspired from this. And what you want to first do is, first of all, get the principle. You have to use the legs a lot, okay? And you kind of always cross them over each time, okay? Like you always want to cross them and walk at the same time, but at the same spot, okay? So you want to go, okay? And you want to go a little bit, bend your body, and then you want to, okay? Want to do that? You can either use then your arms, and then always at the count of 4, change, okay, the direction. You want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay. That was one variation. The other variation is always changing the size, okay? The size of the arms are. You can do that together real quick. Okay, that was it. That's the Makassar. Very easy. I leave. Oh, yeah. Anyway, 3 or 5 Afro dance moves again. Okay, I think